How to add detergent to your Whirlpool washer WTW4816FW3. So in order to basically do it, first of all, you need to lift this particular top lid of the washer in order to access the drum. Now this particular model is a top load washer, so detergent goes directly into the washer tub instead of a front dispenser drawer. So you just have to simply pour the laundry detergent directly into the bottom of the washer drum before adding the clothes. So this is going to be really helpful, and this helps the detergent dissolve more evenly once the washer fills the water. Now you need to use the amount recommended on the detergent label based on your load size. Using too much detergent can create excess foam, poor rinsing, bad odor, and residue buildup inside the washer. Now, if you use laundry pods, you need to place the pods directly at the bottom of the drum first. Never place the pods inside the bleach compartment or any fabric softener area. Afterwards, you just have to simply load the clothes evenly around the washer tub. This particular model may also include the separate compartment for liquid bleach or fabric softener. So after doing so, you just have to simply close the lid, select the preferred wash cycle, and simply start your machine. The washer may begin with the auto sensing phase before filling fully with the water, which is normal for this particular Whirlpool model. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.